Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll just install a roof rack, guys, on a car. And let me tell you now, we've been on a budget now, moving and stuff. Quite a bit of financial hit there. So I was looking for a roof rack, okay, that I can use on the Fiesta and this Elantra as well. But I didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars, $200-300, you know, the good quality ones. And then I bought one, okay, and that was a very big mistake. Okay, check it out now. I'll never ever put that on the car. This is so unstable, it's going to fly away even if you're going 30-40 miles an hour down the road. So I bought this one and didn't even use it. But stay with us to see, guys. We found one that's great and it's very affordable. We'll have the links in the description of the video. It looks like it's really well built, and stay with us to see if it really is. Okay, and as you can see, this one actually comes with 3 different kinds, okay, and those guys, those are heavy duty. Look at that thing. I cannot bend that thing no matter what I do, unless you hit it with a hammer, but it's nothing like that cheap one that I bought before. So you can see that everything that comes in the box, quite a few things, but you don't use all of them. For instance, you have these 4 here, 4 and 4. You use only one set of them because only one set will fit really good on your vehicle. So we got one of the rails ready, guys, just to see how that thing works, so we can explain a little bit better on the other one. Okay, so what you need to do now, okay, we will need to install the bolt, okay, right there, and the base. It has 2 bases on each side. We already installed one, so we don't waste your time just watching that, but it will be equivalent for the other ones. You have 8 bolts that are the same, square bolts, okay. You need to place them in the canal. You need to get it like that. You need a lock washer, okay, and those plastic nuts. The ones that you have 8 out of them. The ones that are 4 you use on the outside. We'll show you later. Okay, and we're not going to get them tight because we need to adjust it on the vehicle. We don't know exactly where they're going to be yet. Okay, and something else that we will need to do now. Okay, we'll need to install the caps right here. So you can push that seal out of the way, install the cap, and usually we use a rubber hammer for that purpose. Okay, like that. This one is in, and then we'll install the other one. Okay, now we'll need to cut on top. So we'll need to make it a little bit shorter so the plastic cap can go in it. Okay, like that. That's how we do it. And that's what the manual says that we should do. Okay, use the plastic rubber hammer and push the plastic cap back on the thing. So we have this one ready as well. We need to install the rubber, okay, the rubber on the base there, and now we need to adjust them on the car. Okay guys, so we got one of them on already, so we can see how exactly everything works, and we'll show you on the second one. Exactly identical procedure. Stay with us. This thing is really good. Okay, I've seen people complaining, but if you do it right, you can shake the whole car with it. It's really good. So it comes with 3 different, okay, end pieces, and you need to pick the one that fits your vehicle in a really good way. As you can see, this one fits the best of all. So that will be the one that we'll be using now. Okay, we get everything now. We need 2 big plastic cups, 2 square bolts, okay, and the 2 end pieces, and the bar itself. Okay, let's go ahead and do that now. And what's cool about it, it actually comes with with a protective tape, soft tape, so we'll show you that. You need to get some tape measure so you can make sure that the left and right side are in identical position. Okay, so this is the protective tape that it was sent, that soft tape. Okay, so we'll install it right here now, and it's easy to peel off. Believe me, you can even redo it if you need to. Then you need to lift it up, get the square bolt through the hole. Okay, and it's not as easy as it sounds because it's a small bolt, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Make sure that the rubber goes down all the way. Okay, now we can install the thing, and okay. Okay, and don't get it tight. We just need to get it there, and you need to have the bottom nuts. Okay, I'm talking about these nuts right here, loose. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we install the protective tape here as well, and now we are going to go ahead, get the bolt through the hole, and we will just install the plate. And what we will need to do, you need to make sure that it has some pressure on it. So that's why we have the nuts loose, so we can see exactly where things need to be. Okay, you need to make sure that it will put some down pressure on it. So it's a little bit hard to explain exactly what we're striving for, guys, but I'll show you in just a little bit. So you will need to have just a little bit of room right here on the bottom, so when you get it tight, okay, it can bring that pressure. So we set it at this side, so we can go ahead and get this nut actually loosen, my bad, tightened now. Okay, and we'll remove it to get them tight all the way. Okay guys, so stay with us. Tomorrow morning we have the surfboards, drive it for about 200 miles and see if it's gonna stay. You need to go and get it tight on each side, a little bit on one side, then on the other side. That's why it's recommended to have 2 people for that job. Okay, you gotta make sure that everything is centered, everything is good, everything is sturdy before you actually drive on the road. And just grab them with your hand, check them, make sure that everything is good. And you can see this one doesn't move at all. So pretty good so far. Stay with us, let's give it a test drive now and see how it works. Okay guys, so the surf is right here now. Okay guys, so we're at the beach, drove quite a bit, about 2-3 hours today, and the thing is holding really good. No problems at all. You can see you can shake the whole car, so we'll definitely recommend it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.